Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How you doing out there today? Alright, real quick guys, I am here today to give you guys some ideas of how to get leads on a daily basis to look at your business opportunity. Okay? How to get leads for your business opportunity. Okay? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. You landed here probably because you're right now online searching for a way to make money online. Okay, and that's how you ended up on my page. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. Okay, and I actually share and show you different home-based business opportunities that I think are a great way to make money online. And of course, I am a part of these opportunities as well. Okay, so I'm just not giving you these off the top of my head randomly. I am a part of these opportunities. Alright, so before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button, okay, if it's your first time here, and then also click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. Okay, alright, we're going to go through this pretty quickly, and I'll put the links for everything that I'm talking about in the description of the video. Alright, hang on, let's go over there. I got some notes I put together, that way I don't miss any points. Okay, hang on. Okay, first up guys, first way to get leads for your business is placing ads. Okay, and I'm a part of a affiliate home-based business called Instant Cash Solution. Okay, and with this you're going to place ads. That's a great way to get leads coming to you for your business. Okay, these ads can run anywhere from $5 up to $55, depending on where you place them. For an example, on Craigslist. Okay, and then I'm also, if you join me in any of my opportunities, okay, I will give you 100 places that you can post ads. But posting ads in classified on classified websites is a great way to get leads. Okay, number 2, text message marketing. Okay, this is basically to me right at the top of the list, text message marketing, because no one leaves home without their cell phone. Okay, so text message marketing, and first up is Press One Cash. With this particular program, you're going to be assigned a phone number, so you basically can share your phone number and tie your website, whatever business you want to promote. Okay, whatever business you want to promote, use Press One Cash, your assigned phone number, and you will share that number. You can place ads and put that number on ads. Hundreds of places that you can share your phone number. Okay, and when you share that phone number, someone dials the phone number and it texts them your website. Okay, so it is compliant as well, if you're questioning that. And you can get 1,000 credits for $10, which means 1,000 people can dial your phone number, guys, and it's only going to cost you $10. So that is a very reasonable way to market and promote any business. Okay, and all these ways I'm showing you is for anybody. It doesn't matter what business you're in. You can use what I'm telling you to promote whatever business you have. Okay, all right. So Press One Cash. And my website for that is ezmobilepay.com. Go check that out. And also dial the number 678-932-0152, and you'll see how that works. Okay, so you can promote your business by simply sharing a phone number. I think that's very, very easy. We have people that are putting their phone number on their vehicle. So every time they're out and about, someone dials that number, they're promoting their business everywhere they go. Okay, next up, we're still talking about text message marketing. SMS phone leads is also a great way. You can simply send 200 text messages a day, guys. For 30 days, that's 6,000 text messages. Go to mobilemoney.ws. Okay, you can buy this system for $20 and upgrade for $33 a month, and you can send 200 messages a day from your cell phone. Can't get any easier than that. It takes 200 credits to send one message. Okay, so I jotted down the packages for you so you can kind of see, well, what would it cost me? Okay, so for $12, guys, that gives you 800 credits. That's 4 days of texting. $36 gets you 3,000 credits. That's what, 15 days, half of a 30-day month. $60 gets you 6,000 credits. That's the best value, okay? Best value. So literally one text a day to your business, for your business opportunity. To promote whatever business you have, you can send 200 texts a day, okay? Alright, so SMS phone leads. Go check it out at mobilemoney.ws, okay? Alright, still on text message marketing. Okay, got to put this on here. We're talking on this one, SMS lead network, okay? And this is considered bulk texting. If you want to text to over 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 people, mobile leads a day, this is the way to go, okay? And it's a great platform where you can store all your mobile phone numbers as well. You can upload them here and text to them anytime you want because they're your leads, okay? And you can check it out at mobilemarketing.ws, okay? It's $197 one time for this system, and you're going to make a $100 referral every time someone purchases this system from you, okay? So you can send 1,000 text messages a day for $75. $7.50. Oh, typo. Hang on. $7.50 for 1,000, okay? If you want to send 10,000 text messages out, it's $75, guys. So all of these are great, reasonable ways on a budget even to market your business. So really you have no excuses. You pick one, okay? Start with one, okay? Look at your budget and decide where can you start, and then scale up from there, then add another layer, okay? But pick one of these methods and start promoting your business, because I get this question all the time. Okay, how do I get leads coming to my business? These are the ways I'm telling you. Pick one, get started, and do it consistently. Okay, if you have to do it once a week or every 2 weeks you get paid, that's what you need to do. But pick a method and roll with it. Okay. Okay, this is one you probably hear quite a bit of us talking about: solo ads and traffic. Solo ads basically is email marketing. Okay, you're going to contact a vendor that has a big list. Okay, and basically what they're doing is sending our ad, our offer, whatever I'm promoting per se, to their list, okay? And the ones that I use, they have their own ad copy. I don't have to give them any ad copy. So basically they're going to get my link and they're going to send it to their list, which is thousands of people. You know, there's different packages you can buy. You can buy solo traffic starting from $50 on up to $300 or $400. Just depends on your budget. When you join me, I'll give you some of those sources. But off the top of my head, I'm going to give you two, Udemy and Hercules, and I'm going to give you the links for those, okay? Those are great ways to market, to get traffic, okay? So I'm going to put the link below for Udemy and Hercules, okay? So solo ads, and do it consistently, guys, okay? One of my favorite ways is postcard marketing, okay? Again, everything I'm showing you, it doesn't matter what your business is. You can use these methods. So postcard marketing is very effective, okay? You just have to be consistent. You got to know where to get your mailing list from, and you're good to go. And I can make a template up for you. When you join me in one of my programs, I'll make up your template and send it to you with your information on it, okay? Another way, the Conversion Pros. You can go in the Conversion Pros and buy targeted leads. You get their name, email, and number. Join for 7 days for free. Free trial, no credit card needed. You can go in there, guys, today and buy 50 leads, names and email and addresses of people that's looking to make money from home for $44. You can get 100 for $85. If you're comfortable with calling people on the phone and basically directing them to your business, you know, asking them some probing questions and leading them to your business that you're promoting, okay? GiveMeLeads.info. Go there and get you some leads today if you're comfortable with speaking to people. These are targeted people. Okay? Last but not least, free marketing. Social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. All these places are free. Video marketing, what you're watching me on right now, is free to market. Doesn't cost a dime. So get on a video and promote your business. Okay? So that's 6 different ways, guys, right there that you can do to start getting leads into your business today. Okay, if you have any questions about any of these, feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you about it. But that's it. There you have it. So I'm going to put the links below for all of these. Okay, and go there and get started. Start getting leads into your business today and just do it consistently. Okay, pick your budget. Pick which one works best for you. And then do that a while. And then as you start getting sales in your business, scale up. Add another layer, okay? So then you can just, say if you're doing text message marketing, then you can add postcards, or you can add solos. Then you add a second one, okay? That's it, guys. That is it. How to get leads into your business. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And like the video, guys. And I will see you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.